Hi everyone. I'm a printing worker based in Vietnam. In this video, I'll show you how we handle large-scale printing orders, starting from hundreds of thousands of stickers and packaging boxes, specifically for jackets and windbreakers for export. 1. Sticker printing for apparel and packaging. We print over 300,000 plus stickers per month, including size labels S, M, L, XL, barcodes, QR codes, SKU tags, brand logo stickers for domestic or export, white heavy checkmark high-speed roll printing machines, white heavy checkmark strong adhesive ink, waterproof and durable, white heavy checkmark sorted by product batch or SKU, white heavy checkmark pre-application service available upon request. Package 2. Custom box production for jackets. We manufacture hundreds of thousands of boxes monthly for apparel brands. Foldable e-commerce boxes. Rigid premium packaging with magnetic lids. Foil-stamped, matte laminated, UV-coated boxes. Eco-friendly options available, craft, recycled. White heavy checkmark custom size and shape for each garment type. White heavy checkmark designs matched to your collection or product line. White heavy checkmark interior print available for brand experience. Repeat button 3. Our production workflow. Keycap 1 receive designs or help build from product sample. Keycap 2 print stickers, digital, and boxes offset 4 color. Keycap 3 laminate, die cut, fold, glue, pack per size, SKU. Keycap 4 manual and machine QC before shipping. Keycap 5 ship globally via DHL, UPS, FedEx or export container. Globe showing Europe Africa clients we work with include global winter fashion and outdoor brands, OEM garment factories for export, online fashion shops, Shopify, Amazon. Company need to produce hundreds of millions of stamps per month. Megaphone if you're looking for a mass production partner for stickers and boxes, 300K plus units a month. Let's connect. White right pointing backhand index. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for more behind the scenes content from Vietnam's printing industry.